something like this yourself, you need look no further than the Preciosa range on our website bluestreetcrystals.com. There you will find the round and shaped pearls, various seed beads and crystal cup chain in various sizes too. Other things you'll find helpful for this project that can be found in the tools section is the Thread Magic Bead Buddy thread conditioner, the Bead Smith thread cutter, which guarantees neat snips every time, and the super tight Fusion Tack glue kit. This precision line of glue is going to help keep the cup chains in place while we go in there with the needle and thread. I'm also using the Preciosa tweezers just to nudge them into the perfect positions. That glue is going to dry completely clear and waterproof, so it's only going to add strength and durability to the design. For the sewing, I am using the size 12 beading needle that can also be found in our tools section on our Blue Street Crystals website, which is thin enough to fit through all of the pearls. We're creating some tassels at the bottom, and we're also going to loop a line of pearls around the outside. You could say you're couching around the conch shell. Try saying that fast. If you're interested in knowing the colours and sizes of the items I've used, you'll find them listed in the description below.